Hi, this is Jen with Box Spoilers, and today I'm going to share with you the Little Life Box Winter 2021. Amy actually received this box. She's gotten the Little Life Box a few times before and really loves the box. You'll notice in the picture, I'm going to go through each of the products, but included was a 3-month membership for Power Yoga at Home. I think it's really great how the Little Life Box really does pull together items that you can use for your whole life. Covers a lot of different areas, and my experience in watching Amy enjoy these boxes is that it's all really useful. Fun stuff that you do end up using. It's not stuff that just kind of sits on a shelf. So let's dive right in. So it's our winter 2021 box, and so timely and so important. A book called Pivot. Change isn't coming, it's here. And so it's strategies to support you through change. It'll be interesting to see what Amy says when she finishes the book, and I plan to borrow it when she's done. Okay, so then we have a Ambiance Mist, and it's called Christmas Memories. It's 100% natural, and it's by Sensuals. I know Amy, it can be a little sensitive to smells, so can I. And she felt like this one was not too overpowering, so that's always a good thing. Another important item for a winter box, instant hand repair, gel. So great product for those dry winter hands. Rescue Pastilles by Bach. They're blackcurrant flavor, and it says original flower remedies, trusted worldwide for generations. So, again, this is another item that I think shows the thought that goes into the curation of these boxes, really just pulling together items that will be beneficial and things you might not think of getting on your own. The candle is always a nice touch. So not only is this candle a really nice candle, but the jar itself is beautiful. So when Amy finishes with the candle, she could do a little DIY and pour another candle in there, or just use the jar for like trinkets or things like that. It would be lovely sitting on a shelf or a dresser. So it's really, really good. Some Lirizzi lip gloss, which is always nice, and especially during the holiday season. That looks like a great color. Sensual's 100% pure essential oil in sweet orange scent, which I think is really great for this time of year because typically orange kind of reminds me of summery, times. And so it's nice to have an oil through the winter months that can remind you of the sort of sweet summer smells. I'm gonna butcher this name, maybe, hopefully not. Medleys or Medalus or Medlis. Anyway, regardless of how you pronounce it, Collagen for health and beauty. So for joints, bones, and this is a really great product. This is something that's really popular. We're starting to see collagen appear in a lot of different boxes, and it's always welcome because you get to discover new brands, and it's also something that you consume. So it's always great to have another one on hand. And again, another product. This one is a collagen serum. So it tone and improves the elasticity of the skin for a younger look. So that's always wanted and always appreciated. And so if you take a look at the little life box, you'll see it's really a lot of sort of different products that are beneficial through the winter season and through your whole life. It is a $44.95 box quarterly. It ships in Canada, free shipping. And if you use code BOXSpoilers10, you'll get 10% off your first box. If you want to see what was in previous boxes, visit boxspoilers.com and go to unboxings and reviews, and you can see the other boxes that Amy has gotten.